for Rain or Shine, they need to gang rebound because meron magagaling na mga bigs and TNT. They're going to rely on Kelly Williams. They're going to rely on Foyera. And let's see what they can do. They also have Brandon Ganuelas Rosser.
Defense, gang defense that was. Clarito gets away.
Rain or Shine getting away with that transition basket number 2 sa liga natin in
The bench.
fast break.
Although ngayon, okay na. Wala na sa kanya yung kanilang PT. But it's raining threes, Steve.
Sagutan dito ng mga tres. Karakot hitting a 3. Pagoy hitting a
Based
3.
on necessity dahil sa kanyang ankle sprain that he sustained in their last game. Next sa inyo.
Simon Enciso hitting another 3. 6 points na yan on 2 threes. And thank you, Eileen, for that report. So pati pala si Mosotros pumasok na. BGR to Kabuntin. Hinabol pa, and that's a foul. That's Glenn Kabuntin. Finishes.
Attacking the interior. Nasabi natin kanina, ang TNT, you know that.
Pupunta sa gitna. Bigay kay Erap. Kontra kay Datu.
Kumusta ang oras?
The drop step gets it to
not
fall
quite.
in.
They were able to get the shot off with about 2 seconds to go in the shot clock. Timing na timing. Yung tira ni Foyera.
Porter out to Santi. Santillan over Erap. Got it to go.
Very patient. Yung pag-ikot ng bola ng Rain or Shine. Looking at where BGR and Kelly Williams are, it's gonna open up the middle for slashers to come through. Kaya na ginawa ni Pagoy kanina.
And Clarito answers back. 8 puntos. Ang atake ni Nokum, and he finally makes his presence felt. That's his first 2 points, Steve.
And for Coach Yengyao, that's exactly what he wanted his boys to do. Attack quickly before the defense
With
sets
the
up.
screen, good split by Nokum, lilipad, no go. Jungson with a mop-up.
Oh, what a way to score. With that's 5 seconds to go. 5.1 seconds to go before the end of the quarter.
Nagkaroon din ng 6 na palitan ng lamang. Heading hits a 3.
And after going scoreless in the first half, eto si Heading, meron ng puntos dito. Now, you know, for a team like TNT that takes 49% of its shots from 3 or 4, binawian naman ni Nokum yung tira ni Heading.
The theme of this game so far,
Yeah.
Dean, is what you can do.
Oh.
Naiwan yung bola ng bahagya. Norwood makes it
again.
back-to-back.
Do it again for Gabe Norwood. He's got 12 points. Oh, this guy is sizzling hot. And he knows it.
And that 3-point shot is brought to Bogoy from downtown.
Back to the outside shot. That's 2 3-point shots connected by TNT in this third quarter. And he passes cross-court to Optana. What a move. What a move.
What a move by Calvin Optana.
Using his body to protect the ball. Scoring with the left hand.
Iniwas pa talaga kay
Oh.
Norwood.
Forward, the ask is to just read the defense better. Back to you guys.
Ito yung depensa ang hinahanap ni Coach Yeng. Mamuyak will finish for 2. Mamu, the third leading scorer ng Rain or Shine, only with his first 2 points of the game.
Yung report ni Eileen talking about how important it is for Rain or Shine to play team basketball.
Kakaunti lang yung pumasok. Erap takes it to
And
the
it'll
other
score.
side.
And now it's a, what, 10-0 run by TNT. You know that Heading is a patented 3-point shooter.
That's 11 points now for Heading. Pero ganda ng ikot ng bola ng Rain or Shine. And hinahanap ni Coach Yeng when Eileen reported he was looking for Rian sa TNT. What has allowed Rain or Shine to still keep in step? Ito nga, isa na lang yung hinahabol nila after that 3.
Well, I think their patience in terms of trying to get shots. And
Mamu dancing with Williams. What a move! Mamu! Tiniris yung depensa ni Kelly Williams.
again, recognizing kung sino yung nasa harap sa kanila. Kelly Williams, kulang yung kanyang lateral movement. Ginamitan siya ng lateral movement ni Mamuya. But okay lang. You've got Aram. Oh, there's another offensive putback coming from Aram. He had 2 offensive rebounds in that sequence. Sobrang dami na ang advantage ng TNT on the rebounding end.
Clarito,
He still can't get
Arena. Pogoy hits it again.
That's 27 points for Pogoy. He has been the man on fire in the fourth quarter. 12 points in the fourth. And he's gonna go home
And
for a sack.
PGR slams it home.
What a breakaway for TNT to seal the deal.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban.